Hello, in this video we're gonna check if DOOGEE V20 has a dual SIM card slot. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate the SIM card slot, and it should be somewhere right here. So here it is, it's this one right here. So in order to open it, we can just do it with our nails. Now we have access to it, and let's check it out. So it seems this phone has a dual SIM slot. One is right here and the second one right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.